moment that there is a car not going, whoa, oh my god. Holy shit.
Good recovery, but also...
Whoa.
During World War II, Korean War, and Vietnam. Our so much money.
God damn it.
The country on our military.
Everyone has a chance to get a car loan, buy a home, start a business. And I believe we can make that happen.
Oh, that guy was just being an asshole.
Bring down cost.
Did you get the surprise that... Oh, hello. Oh, shit! Woo!
That was her fault, though.
That... Excellent. Excellent. What are you doing?
They were just a company who had metrics as opposed to like we're trying to get propaganda.
No, I think,
See, I have a
Wow.
What? Huh?
Video protected.
Based on the current chimpanzee population, it almost certainly wouldn't happen before the universe is expected to collapse.
Therefore, Charles Franklin Open says the widely accepted conclusion from the infinite monkeys theorem is misleading in our finite universe.
Okay, so okay. So I shout. Great. So Kick shouts down.
Oh, watch out, watch out.
Like getting point blanks. Once you've unlocked all 9 military camos and the 2 special camos for a single weapon, then you can complete the gold challenge. For all bullet weapons and the melee,
Like, just went from further up. Oh. Look.
Goodness. So I don't think the side roads are going to be significantly better.
So these people here come there.
But that guy's got a trailer, and there's someone coming up the road. Jeez Louise.
Can you not video that?
Oh, well, we should have done. Oh, and wait, there's more.